Welcome to this quick overview of our mobile application. It's available on both the iOS App Store and Google Play Store, so you can use it on any device. Let's jump right in. So once you've logged into the app, you'll land on the home screen. Here, you can easily access all your recent communications like calls, IMs, voicemails, SMS, and even faxing features like fax groups. So everything is available at a glance, really. Now, if you need to find something specific, you can use the search feature right here at the top to look up contacts or even keywords from previous messages. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a navigation bar with a couple of tabs right here. So we have a Recents tab. This gives you an overview of your recent interactions, including calls and messages. Next, we have a Contacts tab. From here, you can manage your favorite contacts, teams, company contacts, and even personal contacts synced from your device. Next, we have a dial pad. Here is where you can make phone calls directly from the application. So you can dial out just like that, or you can also choose to send out a text message via SMS right here. So again, pretty straightforward, just works like a regular phone interface, really. Next, we have the Smartbox icon, which functions as a central storage hub for your files and documents. So here we have a communications folder for faxes, call recordings, and voicemail. However, the main feature of Smartbox is its ability to store and organize a wide range of files depending on your permissions. You may also have access to shared folders or units, really allowing for a seamless collaboration across teams. So, an efficient way to keep everything you need in one easily accessible place. Then we have a Connect tab. It helps you manage and track your sessions by keeping everything organized. Then at the very top of the screen, we have a drop-down menu where you can personalize your profile. This includes updating your profile photo, changing your status, checking your voicemails. You also have display settings and then a general settings tab with more customization options right here. So let's take a closer look at some key settings. We have click to call right here. Now, this setting allows you to get more granular with how calls are handled on your account. You can add all your registered devices and specify which ones will ring. For example, if you only want your soft phone to ring, you can configure it right here. Then we have a call forwarding section right here. Now, keep in mind that you need to configure your call forwarding plans on the web version first before they become available in the mobile application. Once set up, they'll be listed right here for easy access. So just a few things to keep in mind when using this feature. So we have several options like ringtones, themes. We have a do not disturb option right here. If you want to enable essentially like silence notifications and focus when needed. Then we have other settings like customize notification preferences, data usage, speed dials, ringtones. We have a bunch of options. What else? Even security features like biometric authentication. You can also check for the current version of the app. Report any issues if you need to. All right. And then finally, we have our sign out button for when you're done. Again, we have feedback and few more essential settings really for your overall experience. So that brings us to the end of our walkthrough. I hope you now have a clear understanding of all the key features and how to make the most out of them. So thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the app.